Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to get cartoon face filter on Snapchat. So let's start. First, open the Snapchat app. Now you have to tap on the smiley icon on the right hand side just beside the record button. Then tap on Explore on bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Now type in cartoon face. Now select the filter you like. And that's how you can get cartoon face filter on Snapchat. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.